This is a straight jacket. Take a look at it. Check it out. Cool. Does it look like the one that you have back in China? You don't have one? Do you have one in America? You have one here? You have a jacket here? Do you really? You're funny. I love it. All right. So you're going to put it on? You're going to put it on? No, you're going to put it on me. We're not at your house right now. All right. So, 4 buckles across the back. Buckle nice and tight, real tight. Whoa, okay, whoa. Yeah, really tight, all the way to the last hole. And then, are you married? Where is your husband? Oh, he's over there. Oh, hi. How long have you two been married? How long have you been married? 3 years. Okay, perfect. Cool. 4 buckles right there. And then there's a special buckle, and then there's a very special buckle. How do you say very special buckle in Chinese? Oh, did you say it's too long? I'll leave that one alone. All right, perfect. I love it. All right. You good? Okay. Oh, perfect. Okay. Let's show everyone everything is tight. There's this one right here. Now, I'm gonna swing this one to you, and we're gonna, yeah, that one. Yeah, you have to, under. Yes, you have to, yeah. I'll swing it. You know what? Maybe I'll hand it to you. Okay, and then buckle right there, nice and tight. Perfect. Yeah, just real tight. Oh, this is the wrong one. Oh no. It was the other one. Can you loosen this? Can you let go this one? That looks so bad. I'm so sorry. Oh my god. Okay? Good. Okay. This one. Touch that one. Okay, perfect. Buckle right there. Real tight. All the way to the last hole. Okay. This one right here. All the way to the last one. Real tight? Yeah, all right. Would you give her a big round of applause? Thank you very much. Perfect. Thank you. All right, Don, do you happen to have the Houdini music?
I do.
All right.
They like my music. You guys like my music, yes?
They don't like it.
Love.